continuing with the yesterday's revision topic, is this MS Word page visible to everyone? All right. Now, one by one, raise your hand for all these full form from A to Z. First, ASCII. Yes, Manyaveet.
Sir, American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very correct, very right, good. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Unicode. Unicode. Yes, Raghav.
Sir, universal code.
Universal code. Correct, very right, good. Next is KB. KB. Yes, Anshya.
Sir, kilobyte.
Kilobyte. Next is MB. Yes, Tanveen Kaur.
Megabyte.
Megabyte. Very correct, good. Next, Gurupal. TB.
Sir, terabyte.
Very correct, good. Terabyte. Next, Gaurav. EB. Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Sir, petabyte.
Exabyte. EXABYT. Exabyte. Okay. Ishani, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
IAS.
Immediate access storage.
Very correct. Immediate access storage. Yes, Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself. Jia, Janvi, unmute yourself. Beta, unmute yourself. All right, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
CDR.
Compact disc readable.
Compact disc recordable, beta, recordable. All right, next is CDRW. Yes, Jia, unmute yourself.
Sir, CD rewritable.
Compact disc rewritable. Compact disc rewritable. Yes, CD-ROM. Yes, Chaitanya.
Compact disk read-only memory.
Compact disc read-only memory. Very correct. Very right. Yes. Next, DVD-R. Ritika. DVD-R. Ritika, unmute yourself, beta. Ritika, unmute yourself. Yes, Raghav. DVD-RW.
Digital versatile disk rewritable.
Digital versatile disk rewritable. Very correct, Raghav. All right. OCR, Anshya. Anshya, unmute yourself.
Optical character reader.
Optical character reader. Very correct. Yes, Manyaveet. OMR.
Sir, optical mark reader.
Optical mark reader. Yes, Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself. BCR. I think some technical problem always comes. They are unable to unmute. Jia, Janvi. Beta, unmute yourself. All right. Prabjot. Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, barcode reader.
Barcode reader. Very correct. Very right. All right. MICR. MICR. Who will tell MICR? Yes, Harshit, unmute yourself.
Sir, magnetic ink character recognition technology.
Yeah, it can be recognition also. It is basically reader. Recognition can also be correct, but generally go for reader. Magnetic ink character reader. All right. PDP. PDP. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes. Plasma display panels.
Plasma display panel. Very right, very correct. All right. TFT. Ishani.
Thin film transistor.
Thin film transistor. All right, correct. LCD. Tanveen.
Sir, liquid crystal display.
Liquid crystal display. Very correct. All right. CRT. Raghav.
Sir, cathode ray tube.
Cathode ray tube. Very right, very correct. All right. OLED. Jia Janvi, try to unmute beta. I think some technical fault is coming, bachche. No issues, no problem. Yes, Ritika. CRT. Oh, sorry, OLED. Ritika, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Jia. Jia, unmute yourself.
Organic light emitting display.
Organic light emitting display. All right. Okay, I asked one abbreviation. Let me see who will give the full form of this. LED. One you have LCD. One is LED. You might have read in your science subject. LED. Yes, Manyaveet.
Light emitting display.
It is light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. Okay. All right. Next is RAM is okay. ROM is okay. VDU. VDU. Yes, Ishani.
Visual display unit.
Visual display unit. So A to Z, all the abbreviations of chapter 2 are covered. See, full ABC has been created. All right. All right. Again, I want to tell you that for OCR, OMR, BCR, MICR, R is reader. Okay. Now, let me open another assignment for you people. Is this MS Word page visible to all? This assignment number 2. Assignment number 2 is visible. All right. Now, there are few instructions for you people. Beta, this is assignment number 2. Let us now quickly go through this assignment so that you people are very much aware what is expected from you in the notebook, right? Identify the features of RAM from the following given statements. You have been provided with few statements. You are to identify which of the following statements are correct with respect to RAM. Now here you have two options. Either you can write the correct statements, or you can write the correct letter A, D, C, like this. What I want to say, right here, answer. You can write the correct options if you want. Letters B, C, like this. Okay? It's up to you. Either you can write direct the correct lines. Okay. Who will answer this question? Correct features for RAM. Yes, Tanveen. Oh, sorry. Dipali, unmute yourself. Dipali, unmute yourself. Dipali, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please start.
B, option B, option C.
Option B is
Option
correct.
E.
Then, beta, wait, please slow. First option B, then
Option C.
option C, very correct.
Option E.
Option E,
Option F.
option F. So these are the correct features with respect to random access memory. Very correct, very good. Dipali, good. It is temporary in nature. It is fast in execution. It is volatile. Data can be read as well as written. All right. Fill up the following. 1 petabyte equal to. Yes, Raghav.
1024 gigabytes.
1024. Beta, it is 1024 terabyte. 1024 terabyte. All right, 1 gigabyte. Yes, Ishani.
Sir, 1024 MB.
1024 megabyte MB. Very correct. 1 byte equal to. Yes, Prabjot.
Sir, 8 bits.
Very good, Prabjot. Excellent. 8 bits. All right. Now see this. This is conceptual question. Arrange the following secondary storage devices from highest to lowest on the basis of their storage capacity. You are to arrange these secondary storage devices in descending order from highest to lowest depending upon their storage capacity. So the device which is having the highest capacity to be written first, and the device which is having the least capacity to be written at the end. I hope the question is clear to everyone. All right. Let me give chance to Gurupal to answer this question. Yes, Gurupal.
Sir, hard disk, pen drive, DVD,
Wait. One by one. Hard
Sir,
disk.
hard disk.
Then
Sir, pen drive.
pen drive. Then
Sir, DVD.
DVD. Correct.
Sir, CD.
CD. Absolutely correct. And the last
Sir,
one
floppy
is
disk.
floppy disk.
Floppy disk.
Very, very good, Gurupal. Keep it up. Well done. Hard disk, highest capacity up to 1 TB. Pen drive up to 512 GB. DVD 4.7 GB to 17 GB. CD 700 MB. And floppy disk, the least is 1.44 MB. Very right, very correct. All right. What is another name of monitor? Name 4 types of monitor along with their full forms. Now this question has 2 parts. One, you have to give another name of the monitor. Then you have to tell 4 types of monitor along with their full form. All right, Manyaveet, start.
Yes, sir. Another name of monitor is VDU, that is visual display unit.
Correct.
Different types of monitors are CRT,
Speak
cathode ray tube.
one by one.
Yes, sir. CRT, cathode ray tube.
Correct.
TFT display, liquid crystal display. Plasma monitors. OLED monitors, that is organic light emitting display.
Beta, you skip two full forms. TFT, thin film transistor. PDP, plasma display panel. OLED, organic light emitting display. 4 types, 4 full forms. CRT, cathode ray tube. TFT, thin film transistor. PDP, plasma display panel. OLED, organic light emitting display. Okay. All right. 2 types of printer and 1 example of each. First of all, tell me 2 types. Beta, there is a difference between the word types and example. First, tell me 2 types. Yes, yes, roll number 7, Chaitanya.
Sir,
2 types.
impact, non-impact.
Impact printers, non-impact printers. All right. Gaurav, 1 example of impact printer.
Dot matrix printer.
Very good. 1 example of non-impact printer.
Inkjet printer.
Inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Moving over to the 6th question, class. 2 types of scanner and 2 types of plotter. 2 types of scanner and 2 types of plotter. Yes, who will answer this question? No hand is raised by Krishna, Ritika, Arshdeep, Gurshan, Gurleen. Are you all here in the lecture? Krishna, Ritika, Arshdeep, Gurshan, Gurleen. Are you all here in the class? Gurshan Singh, roll number 14. Gurleen, roll number 13. Dhairya, Hriday Dua, Anandita, roll number 1. No thumb is raised by you people. Are you here in the class? Dhairya, roll number 9. Anandita. Anandita, roll number 1. Dhwani, roll number 10. Harshit Sharma. Simran. Are you 3 in the class? Tanveen, Raghav, Jayant, Keshav, Jayant and Keshav, are you in the lecture? Jayant Chabda, I am announcing your name 2nd time. Are you here in the lecture or not? All right, Dipali, answer this question. Dipali, please answer this question. Unmute yourself, Dipali. Dipali, unmute yourself. Yes, Raghav, you answer this question. Unmute yourself.
So 2 types of scanner are drum scanner and flatbed scanner.
Drum scanner, flatbed scanner, handheld
Handheld
scanner. All right. Two
Sheet
types
file.
of plotter. Two types of plotter. Yes, Anshaya, unmute yourself.
Sir, pen plotter and photo plotter.
Pen plotter, photo plotter. Very correct. Now all of you see this. Do as directed question. In this question, one box has been drawn and few options have been written. As a computer expert, you are required to transfer the correct option to the correct box. When you will do this question in the assignment, you have to note down the question first. After noting down the question, you will draw the box again with pencil and scale, give the headings like this, and start writing answers with the pen. In each box, write correct answers with blue pen. And box has to be drawn using pencil and scale. And a proper box is to be drawn. All right. First box, input devices. Dipali, unmute yourself and tell me which entries will come in the input devices box.
Yes, sir.
Which entries are supposed to be in the box of input devices?
Light pen,
Light pen, okay, correct.
scanner,
Very correct.
mouse,
Excellent.
memory stick,
Memory stick, no beta.
सर बस और कोई नहीं है.
और कोई नहीं है, दो अभी भी हैं बेटा. OCR, OCR and MICR. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good efforts, Dipali. Keep it up, beta. Well done. All right. Yes, next is Jia and Janvi. Unmute yourself. I don't know why they are unable to unmute. Jia, Janvi. All right. Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav,
CD,
what options are to come in secondary storage box? CD, okay.
CD, hard disk,
Hard disk, okay.
memory stick,
Memory stick. Any other?
DVD,
DVD. Very correct, very right. DVD. Good. All right. For the next question, I would like to unmute Gurupal. Unmute yourself. Gurupal, unmute yourself. Gurupal, am I audible to you? Keshav, unmute yourself. Keshav, unmute yourself. Keshav,
Yes, sir.
where were you?
Sir, I'm
Okay. Tell me the options which are supposed to be in the box of output devices. Keshav, am I audible to you?
yes.
Yeah. Try and tell me the options which must be in the output devices box.
Sir, printer,
Printer, very correct.
scanner,
Scanner is not output, but it is input.
Sir,
Sir, may I tell?
plotter.
Plotter. Yes, very correct, Keshav. Good. Printer, plotter. दो और रह गए केशव.
CRT monitor.
CRT monitor, very right, very correct. One is left.
Projector.
Projector, very correct, Keshav. Good, excellent job. All right. Last, primary memory. Yes, Raghav. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, RAM and ROM.
RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM.
ROM.
So I think this diagrammatic question is clear to everyone. How to attempt it? All right, put your hand down, everybody. Lower your hand, all of you. All right. Now, again, coming to the full forms, we have already covered all the full forms. Now, I would like to unmute any one child to raise hand for all the full forms so that we can have a quick revision of these. Who will tell answer to all the full forms? Yes, Gaurav, will you try? Gaurav, will you try? Gaurav, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't know somewhat of these.
Okay. Yes, Raghav.
Yes, sir. Sir, number 1, optical mark reader.
Optical mark reader, very good. OLED.
Organic light emitting display.
Organic light emitting display, very correct.
Immediate access storage.
Immediate access storage, very correct.
Digital versatile disk rewritable.
Very correct.
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Absolutely correct.
Universal Code.
Superb.
Magnetic ink character reader.
Outstanding.
Compact disc recordable.
Super good. Very, very, very good. Keep it up. Very nice. Very nice. So I think assignment is all clear to everyone. How to attempt it is all clear to everyone. 9C class.